Hi, welcome to CMIT, a career mentor for plus 2 pass boys and girls. This is a very crucial time for plus 2 pass boys and girls, and particularly the parents. Most parents and students usually will be in confusion. What sort of course to be selected and which direction we have to go. What should be our career goal? Should we have to do a professional programs or a traditional BA, B.com programs or skill-based degree programs where you can earn, learn and get your degree while working itself? The work, learn and earn programs are called work embedded degree programs. Under new educational policy of Government of India, it is widely encouraged. So universities under collaboration of various industries offering this sort of programs, like Tata Institute of Social Science, widely known as TIS University, is offering hotel management program with the collaboration of Novotel. While doing this hotel management program, student need not pay any fee because this is a work embedded program. Student will be working 5 days in a week in a hotel, learning all the required skills, and they will be attending weekend classes. This sort of programs are run all over India with various industrial collaborations in various sectors like pharmaceutical, healthcare, hotel management, etc. On successful completion, the degree is awarded by TIS University, a very famous university in the country. I advise students to select work embedded degree program like hotel management, pharmaceutical, etc. It benefits a lot. Here the total training goes in a blended mode. A practical learning will be happening and theoretical classes will be happening. Field experience is happening, campus visits will happen, and parallelly student will earn stipend every month. There is a lot of demand due to attrition in the industry. The moment you complete your program, you get employment ready. Lot of benefits the hotel management also provides. It is a earn and learn model degree program. Admissions are open. Please call us today. There are limited seats. Thank you.